If you're looking to make a real impact on your business using the power of data and AI, you've come to the right place. This is The Intelligent Leader. In each episode, I will be talking to experts and business leaders who are driving transformational growth by solving real business challenges.
For years, we almost equated standardization to the way of reducing cost anywhere, right? So people run large programs to standardize. I think slowly what we'll see is personalization is going to be so cheap.
The business side doesn't typically expect is that it's going to change how they do their job.
There's so much potential for experimentation. You're leveraging interoperable data availability to help your consumers, the patient, make decisions for themselves.
I love the idea that we're able to take, all of the sort of engagement and feedback loops that we've typically had in ML-based ads development and then marry that with the sort of real-world context that AI can bring in.
Because ultimately, we wanted people to realize, they're taking away through this data the part of the job I don't like, that's repetitive or is not adding value, so that I can do more clients and more work for things that we get paid for.
You still need the data foundation. You still need that data pipeline. You still need the basic reports. And then if you want to cull more knowledge out of reports, Gen AI is very good at that.
The Databricks is what we use at Cummins for most of our data science needs. We can build from a raw layer of data to final model in a couple of weeks itself, which used to take months, if not years.
The future of personalization is less about more data and much more about smarter joins. And who you join with, how you align your purpose, and how you will continuously learn from these signals to make it better next time.